Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy A11 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, apply the heat and soften the glue on the fingerprint button, and then slightly push to take out the switch from the back cover. Now the back cover unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug and remove the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, move to the bottom and undo 7 screws to take out the speaker cover. Next, disconnect the LCD connector and 2 antenna heads from the charging port board. Next, pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, apply the heat and take out the vibrator motor. Next, lift the logic board bracket by undoing 3 screws on the top, and also undo 2 screws that are securing the board. Next, disconnect 2 connector plugs from the logic board, and then lift the board with antennas. Be gentle in this process and lift the board securely. Next, apply heat and take out the earpiece from the body. Now the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame and buttons. For the replacement, there are few different screen types in the market. The most common is the original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame. But the repair job is a bit difficult and time consuming, and the price difference is not that big. And also there are refurbished, used and aftermarket screens with the frame and without. I would recommend you to go with a screen with a frame and button installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the earpiece on the body and then place the logic board by securing 2 screws. Next, connect 2 connector plugs into the board. Next, place the board bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, place the antenna in the body. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, place the vibrator motor on the body. Next, place the charging port board in the body and then secure both antenna heads and the LCD plug. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and place the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, it is good to test the screen before closing the device. Next, if needed, add some glue on the edge of the fingerprint holder on the back cover. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. Make sure the fingerprint button clicks precisely. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A11 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.